For 30 years, Margaret claimed the same seat on the 7:15 train. Third car from the front, left side window, always facing forward. Every morning she'd unfold the same newspaper, order the pages the same way. Sports first, then local news, business section last. The conductor knew her face. The other passengers became familiar strangers. She watched the city change through that scratched window, season after season. New buildings rose, old ones disappeared, but her routine never wavered. Today, she sits in that same seat for the final time. The newspaper feels heavier in her hands. The words blur together. In the window's reflection, she sees herself at 25, eager and nervous on her first day. 30 years of mornings compressed into this single moment. The train slows, her stop approaches. She stands, walks to the doors, steps onto the platform. Behind her, the doors close with a soft hiss. The train pulls away, carrying her ghost with it.